Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
So we're looking at the Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine with Latte Go in silver, right? It's model EP 3246/74, a renewed version, I see.
Yep, and we're pitting it against the Nespresso Lattissima by DeLonghi in fresh white. Model number EN650W. This should be interesting. I'm already seeing some key differences.
Okay, let's dive in. The Philips machine boasts 5 different coffee options at your fingertips, including cappuccino and latte macchiato, all from fresh beans. That sounds pretty convenient for a quick morning brew.
The Nespresso one-ups that with 9 one-touch recipes. Ristretto, espresso, lungo, cappuccino, latte macchiato, cafe latte, flat white foamed milk, and even just hot milk. Talk about variety. Plus, it comes with a welcome set of Nespresso original line capsules.
Oh, wow! The Philips uses a Latte Go system for silky smooth milk froth using cyclonic frothing technology. They claim it's exceptionally easy to clean. Just 2 parts, no tubes, and cleanable in as little as 15 seconds. Huge plus.
Cleaning is a big plus for the Nespresso too. Its milk container has a rinse function, and all removable parts are dishwasher safe. The milk container is also removable, so you can store it in the fridge. Less fuss, right?
Definitely. The Philips also has a 12-step grinder adjustment, ceramic grinders no less. You can really dial in your grind from ultra-fine to coarse. How durable are those grinders?
Good question. The Philips claims those ceramic grinders are good for at least 20,000 cups. The Nespresso doesn't have a grinder, of course, since it uses capsules, but it does have a 19-bar high-performance pump for optimal flavor extraction from those capsules.
That makes sense. The Philips uses something called the aroma extract system to intelligently balance brewing temperature, keeping it between 90 and 98 degrees Celsius and aroma extraction.
The Nespresso has a fast heat-up system, ready to brew in just 25 seconds. Perfect for those mornings when you're in a rush. It also has a sliding drip tray to accommodate different cup sizes. Good point.
The Philips claims you can make up to 5,000 cups without descaling, thanks to its AquaClean filter. That's a lot of coffee before you have to think about maintenance.
The Nespresso has an intuitive descaling alert that you can customize based on your water hardness. That's pretty smart to keep everything running smoothly and ensure optimal performance.
Both seem pretty focused on ease of use and cleaning, which is crucial for a daily coffee machine. The Philips is listed as currently unavailable, though, which is something to consider.
Yeah, but the Nespresso is all about the capsules and the variety they offer. It even includes a welcome set of capsules to get you started. Plus, it's readily available. The Nespresso is currently priced at $579.99, down from its list price of $649.
The Philips seems more about using fresh beans and customizing your grind. It's also worth noting the Philips is a renewed product, so that might affect its lifespan and warranty. So, it depends on what you're looking for, really. Convenience and capsule variety with the Nespresso, or fresh beans and grind customization with the Philips. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.